How to redeem V-Bucks on Switch. For this, at the top, go ahead and search for www.fortnite.com/V-Bucks card. Then you will be redirected here. Tap on Get Started. In this box, you have to go ahead and enter your code PIN. For an example, this is what it should look like. You can find the code in the back side of your card. Gently scratch off the security covering. Then enter the code that is written right there. Then tap on Next. After this, a dialog box will pop up where it will ask you if you have a Fortnite account or play Fortnite. Just go ahead and tap on Yes. After that, it will display a list of devices where you play your Fortnite. Just go ahead and select the one that you prefer. If you use Nintendo Switch, just go ahead and tap on Nintendo Switch. If you don't see this list or the device you play your Fortnite in, you have to go ahead and open your Epic Games account. Once you are logged in, you have to verify yourself in your Epic Game. Then go ahead and stay logged in your Epic Game account. Then try again. Once you do this, you will be able to redeem your V-Buck in your Nintendo Switch or any device that you use. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.